So here's an example bug. So if you look at this for just a few seconds, see if you can spot what the bug is here. So there's a client. It's first creating a resource of type CM, and it's named X. It has a value. So red here indicates that it's invalid. So it's actually a fuzzed data value. And it's creating it in some region, US West. And there's a 500 internal server error. And that's already kind of a bug indication that something went wrong. But let's see how much further we can take this. So you get all these resources of type CM, and you don't have any. Well, OK, I got an error. Everything seems fine. But then what if you try to create that same resource now with a valid value and in a different region? I should be able to create that resource, right? Well, in this case, we weren't able to create the resource, and we got a conflict. So what happened after some manual investigation, we found that X is now a zombie resource. And moreover, it wasn't counted against the user's quota. So an attacker can just keep creating these resources very quickly with different names. And potentially there could be a DOS here, both in terms of an actual resource on the backend that's not getting cleaned up, or in some cases, like just the domain of names can be finite and not that large, and you can prevent users from creating like any resources of type CM. So what you should take away from this is that to find this bug, you need both invalid inputs, valid inputs, and this carefully crafted kind of sequence of requests. And this is precisely what we were trying to target with Wrestler and with our fuzzing algorithm that we've developed.